Hello students, welcome to the channel My Home My Study. Today I am going to give the answer of chapter number 11, a look inside the body. So let's begin with the exercise. First, why do we pant when we have been running hard for some times? हम जब ज़्यादा भागते हैं तो हमारी सांस क्यों फूलने लगती है? आंसर, बिकॉज आवर बॉडी नीड्स मोर एनर्जी एंड दैट वी कैन only get through the process of respiration which requires oxygen. Thus, we pant when we have been running hard for some time. Next, B. Answer the following question. First, what is meant by internal organs? Answer, an organs that is situated inside our body and cannot be seen from the outside is called an internal organs. Second, name the two cavities in the abdomen: abdominal cavity and pelvic cavity. Third, which important organs are situated in the rib cage in the thoracic cavity? Answer, the heart and the lungs are situated in the rib cage in the thoracic cavity. Fourth, why does the chest swell when we breathe in? Answer, when we breathe in, the outside air enters the body. That is why the chest swell. Fifth, why is the brain situated in the casing of the skull? Answer, the brain is situated in the casing of the skull because it is the most important organ of our body. It has to be protected from injury. See, fill in the blanks. First, the internal organs that help digest food are in the abdomen. Second, we have two lungs. Third, every throbbing of the heart is called a heartbeat. Fourth, we become aware of all our emotions in the brain. Next, D. True or false? The esophagus in the thoracic cavity. Answer, true. The heart is a little bigger than our fist. Answer, true. The food in the mouth forms a moist lump. Answer, true. Fourth, in the brain we interpret the information called by the sensory organs. Answer, true. E. Give reasons. First, the structure of the body is such that all internal organs remain secure in their places. Answer, the organs inside our body that perform certain important functions need to be secure. The structure of our body is such that our internal organs can remain in their places no how much we move. Second, blood must be flowing in the blood vessel throughout the body. Answer, we take air in when we breathe in. Our blood carries the air to all parts of our body. The food that we eat gets digested. It is again blood that carries the digested part to every particle of our body. For these purposes, it is necessary to keep blood flowing through the blood vessel. Third, the brain has to be kept completely safe. Answer, injury to the brain can make one disabled for life. It can even cause death. Hence, the brain has to be kept completely safe. Next, F. Match the following. So students, यहाँ पर आपको ग्रुप ए और ग्रुप बी टेक्स्ट बुक में करके ऐसा दिया है. इसका आंसर डायरेक्टली यहाँ पर मैंने लिखा है. फर्स्ट, ब्लड सप्लाई का आएगा हार्ट. सेकेंड, ब्रीदिंग. आंसर आएगा लंग्स. एंड कैरिंग food to the stomach. Answer, alimentary canal. Controlling movement का आएगा brain.